If you're paying $800 for Trustpilot review removal, you're overpaying by 400%, and here's the real cost breakdown. Here's the problem. Most agencies inflate prices for simple disputes. Flag policy violations yourself in 5 minutes. Trustpilot removes 62% within 72 hours. Hire ReputationZilla for $150 per review. They handle multi-platform removals in 48 hours. A competitor posts a fake 1-star review claiming poor service you never provided. Within 96 hours your trust score drops from 4.7 to 3.9. Potential customers see it first. You lose 40% of conversions that week. This is exactly why we built ReputationZilla, to remove defamatory reviews before they kill your revenue. The cost question matters because agencies charge wildly different rates for the exact same dispute process. Most people fail here. They hire the first agency they find and pay $600 to $1,200 per review removal. Those agencies outsource to the same dispute teams charging $150. You're paying for a middleman who copies your evidence into a Trustpilot form. With ReputationZilla we file disputes directly, no markup, $150 flat rate per fraudulent or defamatory review. Step 1. Try the free DIY route first. Log into Trustpilot Business, click the review, select report, choose the violation type. Policy violations include fake identity, competitor sabotage, no transaction proof, and defamation. Trustpilot approves 62% of valid flags within 72 hours. Cost, $0. Time, 5 minutes. Step 2. If Trustpilot rejects your flag, ReputationZilla escalates it. This is important. We file appeals with exact policy citations Trustpilot's legal team recognizes. We attach evidence bundles, IP logs if needed, transaction records proving the review is fraudulent. Success rate jumps to 91% within 7 days. Cost, $150 per review. You skip the back and forth. Here's the problem. DIY removal works 62% of the time but takes 3 to 10 days of your focus. Cheap Fiverr services charge $50 but succeed only 18% of the time because they spam generic templates. ReputationZilla charges $150, succeeds 91% of the time, and closes cases in 48 to 72 hours because we know which evidence Trustpilot actually reads. Once steps 1 to 3 are working, layer in this advanced move. Most people never get here. The viewer who masters this beats 90% of competitors. When you file the appeal yourself, use this exact wording in the dispute form. This review violates Trustpilot's guideline section 2.3, fraudulent content. The reviewer has no verified transaction with our business. We request immediate removal under your defamatory content policy. Attach proof of customer list, order history, or email threads showing 0 interaction. That phrasing triggers Trustpilot's fraud investigation queue. Or skip all this and let ReputationZilla do it for you. We write the appeal, attach the proof, and follow up until it's gone. DIY Trustpilot disputes cost 0, work 62% of time. Agencies charge $150 to $1,200 per review removal. ReputationZilla removes defamatory reviews for $150 flat. Link in description. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit ReputationZilla for the complete removal guide. Visit ReputationZilla.org.